Hey, hi everyone, welcome back. So, guys, if you remember, as part of the previous session, we have captured the app file location along with the desired device UDID. All right, what I want to do right now is let us try to establish a connection from Appium inspector with iPhone 16. Okay, with an iPhone 16. So immediately, a quick question that comes in our mind, Surendra, tell the Android configuration. We didn't see anything about a UDID, another desired capability. Why you are adding a one more capability here? The answer for this one is, in order to work on an iPhone, basically, it's mandatory to specify UDID of that device. Okay, whichever the UDID of that particular device is there, it's mandatory for us to specify unique identity of that particular device as part of, okay, as part of desired capabilities when you are trying to create a session from inspector. Even we need to pass same UDID with XCUI test options also. Either the cases, it's mandatory for us to pass this UDID value. Okay, that's fine. So what I'm doing right now is I'm launching my Appium inspector session right now. And at the same time, I have already started my Appium server in the terminal. See, basically, this is the server I have started. And if you see, basically, the available drivers are XCUI test driver, UI automator 2 driver. This UI automator 2 driver, for which the automation name you need to use as an UI automator 2, which we have used for an Android automation. The XCUI test driver needs the automation name as an XCUI test. Okay, I got this value. So here, what is the automation name? XCUI test for the iPhones. And the device name. I have only one iPhone, hence I'm giving it name as an iPhone itself. For iPhones, you need to precisely define a UDID, and the UDID I have copied here already, and I updated here. Platform name. On which platform you are targeting for iOS. Okay, so platform version. So what is the iPhone version here? 18.2 is the device version. On the top, iPhone 16 Pro 18.2. So here I'm defining 18.2. And the last capability that you need to pass is an app location. So I already have my application, copy it and directly put it here. So I just updated that. So other than UDID, we have already specified other capabilities with respect to Android. This is the only new capability that we have specified when you are working on an iOS. That's it. Ideally, if you want to save this information, right, I can click on a save iPhone latest. I just saved it. So inside the saved capabilities, you will be finding that in future, whenever you wanna establish a session directly, you can navigate to the saved capabilities and you can click on this edit button and click on a start session. Automatically, it will establish a session. Okay, automatically it will establish a session. So this is the way how exactly you need to establish a session. Okay, so this is the way how exactly you need to establish a session. Okay, perfectly all right. Okay, good. Okay, so let's wait until it established a session. At the very first time when you try to establish a session, it will take some time to connect with that particular device. It will take some time to connect with that particular device. Let's wait for a second and then, it will be establishing a session. See, the WebDriver agent is installing. Ideally, whenever you are working on iPhones, the first app before your application that it will install is, okay, it will install is a WebDriver agent. This is a kind of a interview question people will ask you. When you are working on an Android automation, which app it will install first? If you remember, guys, the Appium settings is the app that installed first. When you are working on a iOS automation, which app it will install first? If you notice that the WebDriver agent app is installing first. Okay, that's it. This is the simple thing that you need to remember. I was able to establish a session in the APM inspector. No matter whether it is an Android phone or an iPhone phone, I can select this and I can select this, and I do have a bunch of data here which I can use it in the program. We were already studied about how exactly we can use an APM inspector and capture the information. So in the next session, let's directly get started with playing around the UI kit catalog with certain examples. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.